Let's start with air-cooled chiller network. Air-cooled chiller system diagram. How this system works? First, we have a chiller which is air-cooled. We have a chilled water pipe from a chiller to a chilled water pump. From a chilled water pump, we have supply chilled water pipes which feed AHUs, which feed also fresh AHUs and feed fan coil units. Then we have return chilled water pipe coming from fan coil unit, coming from fresh AHUs, and from AHUs direct to the chiller. Okay, now this the chiller or the chilled water pipes. How we can get the air cooled in the building? How can I get air conditioning in the building? We have supply duct coming from AHUs, and each branch it's another system with we can install VEV or CAV. VEV that's mean variable air volume, and CAV that's mean constant air volume. And this if you want to make a separate thermostat for each space. So if we need separate thermostat for each space, and these spaces it's fed by one AHUs, we should install VEV or CAV, and also we'll discuss it later. Then we have the return duct, which is coming from the space in the building to the AHU. Same we have in fan coil unit. We have also supply duct in the space which we need air conditioning in it. And the return for this one, it's always like it will be a free return, not ducted. Now we'll talk about fresh AHUs. These fresh AHUs receive the fresh air coming from outside as per with fresh duct, and we should install central blower to avoid any sand to be inside the duct. We should install volume damper to control the quantity of air which we take it from outside, and the pre-filter to make sure that there is nothing or something not good in our air. And this fresh AHU, we feed the air from this AHU to the AHUs or to the fan coils, or we can take fresh air to anywhere we need in the building. So this is the air-cooled chiller system diagram simply. Okay, now let's talk about how we install this component in the building. First, we install the chiller. Okay, air-cooled chiller, it usually installed on roof. Then we'll install the pumps. If we have two chiller, that means we have 3 pumps to make 1 standby and 2 duty. Third is air handling unit. We have indoor unit and we have outdoor unit. Fourth is fan coil unit, which installed inside building. Usually it will be ceiling mounted. Then we'll connect between all this equipment with supply a chilled water pipe, which feeds the equipment with the cold air, with the cold water coming from the chiller, and temperature from the chiller it will be 5 or 6 degrees Celsius degree. It will coming from a chiller riser. This riser it will feed AHU and fan coil inside building, and it will feed the outdoor unit. Then we'll start to install the return chilled water pipe, which collect all return water from the equipment inside building and return it back to the pump, and the degree will be around 10-12 Celsius. As we see, it's coming from equipment indoor and outdoor and go direct to the header of pump section. Then we have discharge for each pump. It's collected with one header and go direct to the chiller. Next we'll talk about supply duct. Supply duct, it's including damper, air outlets. As you see, it's coming from HU, and we have some branches These branches feed each space with outlets. As we see, this second branch, okay, it feeds also another space. Same branch with spaces, and as we said before, these branches, if you need to make separate thermostat for each space, you should install VEV or CEV on each branch. Also, we have from the fan coil unit, duct and outlet. Then we talk about return duct. Return duct, it's coming from the space, including damper طبعا and air inlets. It's coming from space direct to the HUs. So this is simply how we install this equipment inside the building.